Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Please make sure to visit our website and join our UpFix community forums. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And today we're actually going to be going over some of the most popular questions we have. Antonio asks, I received my instrument cluster back from UpFix. I've installed it, but my vehicle won't start. What could I be doing wrong and how do I fix it? So if your vehicle is not starting, the question is, was it not starting before you even sent in your cluster for repair? A lot of times we have customers that send us a replacement cluster straight from a junkyard or an auto parts store straight to us without even testing it on their end to make sure that it works in their vehicle. And when they get it and install it in their vehicle for the first time, after we've already programmed it to the mileage that they requested, if it needs a mileage correction programming service, then we ask, have you tried to test it before you send it to us? So we definitely never recommend you actually sending us an instrument cluster directly from a junkyard, because you need to make sure it works on your end first before you send it in for mileage correction. If that's the case where it doesn't start, it's probably the VIN number immobilizer that's being activated, and then the security light will be on and flashing it on your instrument cluster. So basically, to answer this question, we would need to know whether or not it's original instrument cluster and whether or not something was replaced recently, and if he sees that security light flashing, and then we would know how to proceed and help the customer further on why the vehicle is not starting. That's pretty much it for today. Hopefully you guys learned something from this, and if you guys have any more questions, leave it in the comments below. Make sure to follow us. A lot of these questions were from our UpFix community forum, so follow us there, and if you guys like what you see, also follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We'll see you next time.